Today I'm working on a 2012 Volkswagen GTI. I just wanted to make a real quick video showing you something. These water pump drive belts can be a real fight to replace with a new one. So I'm just showing you kind of a quick tip to get these on without having to pull this whole sprocket off completely. If you can just loosen it, it's reverse thread, so you're going to want to get a 12mm socket, that's 12mm open end or a box wrench, and stick it on the end of this. Let me zoom in on it. Right there, and turn that like you're tightening it. It's reverse thread, so you want to turn it clockwise to loosen it. And then once it's loose, and it's like this one is, where it's kind of you're able to get in here and wiggle the pulley around like this. There's enough movement there if you turn it a couple turns where you can take a flat blade screwdriver and kind of stick the belt next to it and slide it behind it. So that's what I did here, and it's still loose, as you can see. So now what I'll do is I'll throw the belt on over the top of the water pump pulley, and then I'll get a wrench in there, hold the front of the crankshaft, and tighten that up. So just a quick tip. If you pull that sprocket out completely, it's can be a little bit of a fight unless you have real small fingers to get in there and tighten it back up again and get it all aligned. So this is what I've been doing lately. So that's it. Thanks for watching.